Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the last trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is TCS because company's net profit is down by 1.3%, revenue is up by 0.8%, EBIT is also down by 0.6% and margins are reported at 24.2% versus 24.5% quarter-on-quarter basis. Also the dollar revenue is reported at $7,465 million versus the pool of $7,481 million. Also, if you look at the management commentary, they said that seen delay in the decision making, also the technical intervention impacted the margins of the company, and guidance margin beacon continues to be 26 to 28%. The next stock is Sun Pharmaceutical because company announced that the US Court of Appeal for the Federal Circuit vacated a preliminary injunctive effective immediately, allowing the company to proceed with the launch of durozolitinib in the United States. This medicine is basically intended to the treatment of the severe alopecia areata. The next stock is Biocon because company's arm Biocon Biologics announced US FDA approval for the Jobivine. Basically, this medicine is used to treat the several different type of cancer. The next stock is Aurobindo Pharma because its arm Curatic Biologics complete the successful phase 1 study of the denosumab BP16. Basically, this medicine used to specifically targeting the rank ligand and the critical protein in the life cycle of the aristoclast, the cell that breaks the bone bound. Also, the next stock which you need to look at is GAIL because company completes the laying of 97.6% of Pradhan Mantri Urja Ganga. Commercial operations started in 96.6% of the completed pipeline, transporting approximately 12.26 MSCMD of natural gas. The next stock is BHEL because company entered into a strategic memorandum of understanding with the Italy-based Novomo Paijon International to jointly address compressor revamp opportunity in India's fertiliser sector. The MOU signed on April 9, 2025 will remain in effective for next 10 years unless extended by the mutual consent. The next stock is Bajaj Healthcare because company appoints Rohan Parekh as a chief financial officer of the company with respect from April 16, 2025. The next stock is SRF because company commissions and capitalize new agrochemical facility in Dahej, Gujarat. Basically, company has done the investment of 239 crores. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Steel because Tata Steel Nederland to commence consultation on business restructuring. Reorganization of the Nederland business will lead to a loss of 1,600 roles. So these were some of these stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.